Hi, I'm Will from Sensdat. In this video, I'm going to present our Retail Sales Analysis Dashboard for retailers built in Microsoft Power BI. This solution provides retail managers complete visibility on sales performance by geography and by store, with the ability to drill down to a specific site and get a 360-degree view of its product sales, always with the most up-to-date information available. The data analyzed in this dashboard is from the European operations of a global retailer of electronic devices. In this overview tab, we can see at the higher level the year-to-date sales, units sold, and sales per unit. Each is colored by comparison to the previous year, with the versus prior year percentage just below. In addition, you have the overall sales per FTE and sales per square meter. You can easily adjust the date range using the filters on the right. In the top left, you have a year-to-date trend in sales with a 3-month forecast. Here on the right side, you can immediately narrow down to your top performers and worst performers in versus prior year. So for the top 5 stores, you can see the sales, percentage of total, versus prior year in percentage, and versus prior year in euros. And you can see the same for the 5 worst performers, with the corresponding conditional formatting. In the bottom left corner, you can see how sales have evolved in the different product categories, and you can cross-filter the dashboard easily by clicking on the computer bars, for example. Finally, in the bottom right, you have a heat map showing you both the size of each market and their performance year over year. So this overview enables you to see the big picture, but also identify top and bottom performers immediately. And for a more detailed analysis of all your stores side by side, we go to the Analysis tab. Here you can start at the country level and see how each market is performing, both in sales volume and sales versus prior year. We can see that the vast majority have lower sales with the orange and red color bars, including the largest market, the United Kingdom. And the table below lists all of the countries ranked by year-to-date sales, and it gives you the details of sales performance versus prior year in percentage and in euros, and how changes in the quantity sold or the sales per unit affected the bottom line. Finally, you have the sales per FTE and the sales per square meter. And the countries can be ranked by any of these columns, for example, the versus prior year in value. You can then drill down to the store level, either by expanding the stores under each country, or going directly to the full list of stores. By doing this, we find that the Roma store had the largest drop in sales value. This was driven mainly by lower quantities sold. And the next step here is to drill down further into the specific store. To do this, we can use the drill through feature in Power BI. This enables you to directly access the store card we've designed, filtered directly on the Roma store. This is where you will get the full picture of this store's sales at the product level. As in the overview, you have a trend line of sales with a 3-month forecast, the sales and versus prior year by brand, the breakdown of sales by product class in the donut chart, and below, as with the list of countries we saw previously, you can rank the product categories by the column of your choice. Let's take the example of versus prior year in value again. You can see how the largest drop in sales value year over year came from the cameras and camcorders category. You can activate the drill down on the top right corner to easily dive into product sales performance. You can click on cameras and camcorders, and this will expand to the subcategories within cameras and camcorders while filtering the dashboard to this category. And then you can click on the worst performing subcategory, here camcorders, to end up at the product SKU level. You can see how a large share of the decrease in sales comes from products that seem to have been withdrawn, here with the minus 100% relative to last year. And we can see some of the SKUs, as we scroll down, have seen a large increase in sales. The new products introduced this year, where you can see a positive difference year over year in sales value but a blank percentage, have failed to generate an overall higher sales performance than the previous year for this subcategory. Now the next step after this analysis is to contact the store manager, whose details appear here on the right side of the table, either by phone or by email using this direct link that opens up your email service. With very granular information in front of your eyes, you can have a detailed review of this product range and discuss how the store plans to address this decrease in camcorder sales, which are among the worst performing products in this badly performing store. Our dashboards also put the power of machine learning algorithms right at your fingertips. On this line chart with the sales trend, you can right-click on a month where, for example, you see a large drop in sales, and click Analyze and explain the decrease. Here, the machine learning capability displays several angles of analysis to explain the decrease month over month. The first option shows us that sales generated by the European back-to-school promotion failed to entirely compensate for the large decrease in regular no-discount sales. This suggests, for example, that the store may have to more actively promote its back-to-school promotion to compensate for the low footfall in the month of August. Finally, while the aim of our dashboards is to provide answers to 95% of your questions, you're also able to use a natural language query to get a specific answer in a matter of seconds. Here, for example, the sum of sales by product category in December 2013, and formatted as a pie chart. You can then easily pin this visual on an ad hoc dashboard that will refresh automatically along with the rest of the model that the dashboard is based on. Our Power BI Store Sales Analysis dashboard gives retail managers complete clarity on their store's sales performance across different KPIs, all the way down to the product level. You can visit our website and get in touch to learn more about our tailored Power BI solutions for retailers. Thank you for watching.